Are you unknowingly making fashion mistakes that are adding 10 pounds to your look? You'd be surprised how common these errors are, and correcting them can instantly transform how you feel in your clothes. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your style and shed that visual weight. Stick around, because today I'm revealing the 7 key mistakes that could be holding you back from looking your absolute best after 50. Hello, lovely ladies, and welcome back to Graceful Style 50 Plus. I'm Beth Ann, and I'm so glad you've joined me today. We all deserve to feel beautiful and confident, especially as we embrace this fabulous chapter of life. In today's video, I'll be sharing some fashion pitfalls that can secretly add weight to your look. But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid them. Let's dive in and make sure you stay until the end, because you won't want to miss a single one. Picking a shirt without buttons. We all love a comfortable shirt, but when it lacks structure, like a button-down can provide, it can create a boxy, shapeless silhouette. Shirts with buttons or tailored details give you more definition around the waist and bust, creating a sleeker, more polished look. Imagine a shirt that skims your figure without clinging too tightly. It flatters you, making you feel put together without sacrificing comfort. 2. Wearing a loose sweater with a skirt. While loose sweaters can be cozy, pairing them with skirts can sometimes create a bulky, undefined shape, especially if both pieces are flowy. Instead, opt for a more fitted sweater or tuck in the front of your sweater to highlight your waist. It's all about balance. Don't let your outfit drown your figure. A chic, fitted cardigan paired with a pencil skirt or an A-line skirt will give you a streamlined silhouette without sacrificing elegance. Three. Pulling down your top to hide your belly. Ladies, we've all been there, trying to pull down a top to cover our tummy, but pulling down your top can actually draw more attention to the area you're trying to conceal. Instead, embrace tops that naturally skim your body and create vertical lines, such as wrap tops or tunics that don't cling. Instead of feeling self-conscious, feel empowered knowing that the right fit can highlight your beautiful figure and make you feel comfortable in your own skin. 4. Not showing your thinner parts, wrists, waist or neck. Elegance often lies in the details. One of the easiest ways to look more refined is to reveal your slender parts, your wrists, waist or neck. Don't hide behind long, loose clothing all the time. A little reveal of your wrists with a 3/4 sleeve or a neckline that accentuates your collarbones can add lightness to your look. A bracelet sleeve blouse or a dress with a defined waistline can emphasize your natural shape while keeping you comfortable and confident. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're here to help you feel elegant, confident, and beautiful every day. 5. Using button-down skinny jersey sweaters. While jersey fabrics are soft and easy to wear, skinny button-down sweaters can cling in all the wrong places, creating an unflattering, too tight look. Instead, opt for knitwear with more structure, like cashmere or a thicker cotton blend. These materials drape beautifully without adding bulk. A luxurious fabric that hugs you in all the right places will have you feeling sophisticated and elegant without sacrificing comfort. 6. Wearing shorts that are too short. Shorts that are too short can make your legs appear wider and throw off your body's proportions. Opt for a longer, tailored short, something that hits just above the knee or mid-thigh. It creates a more refined look and balances your silhouette beautifully. A pair of Bermuda shorts in a high-quality fabric paired with a tucked-in blouse can make you look both elegant and modern. 7. Wearing a belt that is too thin and bright belts are an amazing accessory, but thin, bright belts can cut your body in a way that disrupts your overall look. Instead, go for medium-width belts in neutral or darker colours. These will cinch your waist without making you look segmented, giving you that sleek, elongated silhouette. Try a tan or black leather belt to define your waist. Thank you, beautiful ladies, for spending your time with me today on Graceful Style 50+. I hope these tips have inspired you to look at your wardrobe with fresh eyes and make the little tweaks that can make a big difference. If you loved today's video, be sure to subscribe for more tips on looking elegant and feeling fabulous no matter your age. Remember, style is about expressing the best version of yourself. See in my video. Stay graceful.